The AAWipes ESD-Safe Wipes CE16009 are lint-free cleanroom cloth wipers made from a blend of polyester and carbon, providing excellent anti-static performance. These wipes have been specifically designed to remove smudges, fingerprints, oil, dust, and dirt on any surface, making them ideal for cleaning sensitive areas. The wipers are not only washable and reusable, but also durable, featuring sawtooth pattern edges that prevent coarse strings. These anti-static wiper cloths are perfect for wiping sensitive electronic components and tools, including battery panels, liquid crystal displays, and other product surfaces in electrostatic discharge-sensitive areas. They come in a convenient packaging that is vacuum-sealed in a strictly controlled cleanroom environment for added protection. AAWipes also offers customizable products for different wiping needs, with a variety of sizes, cleanliness levels, packaging options, and dispensing options to suit your cleanroom supplies needs.